Hi, my name is Teacher Luna. I'm going to be your math teacher today. Let's look at the question. We need to make the three numbers on each question equal 10. So we know that 4 plus 2 equals 6, and 6 plus 4 equals 10, and now we just need to take this second number of the second sentence into the blank. Now we know the answer of the first question is 4. Now let's look at the second question. We know that 7 plus 2 equals 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. We just need to take the second number of the second sentence into the blank. Now we know that the second question's answer is 1. Thanks for watching.